Hello everyone, this is Anita White with Love Your Art, and we want to welcome you here today. Thank you for joining us. Today we have a very special treat because we are going to be doing a ring pour on a heart. This is a heart shape that has been cut out of MDF board. It's been primed with a Kiltz2 spray primer, and we have it taped off on the back. It's been leveled and we're ready to go. I'm going to introduce the colors to the canvas first and then tell you how we're going to be using them. We have the Artist Loft Acrylic Flow White mixed with Floetrol and water. All paints are going to be mixed with Floetrol and water, and they will be listed in the description box below. Then we also have the Liquitex Basics Cadmium Red Deep Hue. We have the Amsterdam Permanent Blue Violet, along with the Pebeo Studio Cuvre Iridescent, and we have the Artist Loft Old Gold. Those colors I've already taken the time to place inside our split cup here. And here you can see that those colors are all layered in the dividing sections of the cup. We have the Artist Loft White, we have the Amsterdam Blue Violet, the Cadmium Red Hue, the Pebeo Studio Cuvre or Copper Iridescent, and then we have our Artist Loft Old Gold in the other side or the end. So to help us get things going, we're going to take and pour out our ring, and then I'll add some additional paint. I may add some black. I haven't decided. I want to see how the colors look. If I add black, it will be the Artist Loft Acrylic Flow Black that I mixed in here, but it is not mixed with Floetrol and water. It's mixed with the Sargent Pouring Medium and a little water. So all of that will be listed depending on which way we go with it. But let's go ahead and get started with our split cup pour. Ooh, we're a bit full and it's going out quickly. It's heavy and it's showing itself to be heavy. There we go. It's moving pretty quickly. It's beautiful. Getting down to the final wire here. So we're going to put our finger and cap it off like so. And there's lots of gold and copper that you can see. It looks like the red and purple got kind of lost in there. So what I'm going to do is try to give it some movement. We'll go ahead and just add a little bit of black around here, help it move. All right, this can get messy, that's why we need to wear gloves. So let's go ahead and do our rock and roll. We're gonna slide this over and we're gonna try to come, oh, it's going nice and evenly over that. And we'll come back this way. Kind of rocking it, shifting it back and forth. Get some up in this corner over here, off the side. Okay, pretty, very pretty. Bringing it back to the center. And we're going to try to move some and over on the top here. And it's a little difficult to get it moving because we've got paint coming off the top. There we go. And then we can bring it back toward me. Kind of shifting it back and forth. This is really pretty. We're bringing it toward me as I'm shifting, rocking back and forth to kind of keep the stretching at a minimal. Do need to pull it over just a tad here to get this over the edge. Yep. Hopefully we are over the edge all over. We're just going to shift it back and forth, rocking it so that we can get it down to this very tip, just coming toward me. Hopefully, I just hope we got our paints, yeah. Coming down. Coming down. We're almost there. Almost there. Come on to the tip. Trying to hold it steady. About at that peak. Just about there. Oh yeah. Okay. Better grab it while we can. Okay, good and messy is what it does. Now we can see the red and the purple on this side, and you can see the copper and gold on this side. I love it. It is so pretty. Cool. All right. Really pleased with how that turned out. Let's hope we can dry it, get it to dry the way it looks right now. I'm going to take these gloves off and get a little cleaned up. That looks amazing. Just simply amazing. Wow. I don't know what to say except it looks amazing. I really like the way the colors decided to come together. You know, it's just remarkable that when you put paint together and you lay it on a canvas, I don't care what type of surface you lay it on, these colors find their way into making for an absolutely gorgeous, beautiful design. And it's all they're doing, really. And we just can't do anything but be enamored over the outcomes because they just are striking and stunning and surprising each and every time. I'm just going to go around real quick with our little popsicle stick thing here just to capture some of this excess paint. The sooner, you know, we bring our canvas to rest, the more likely we are to maintain the design that we currently see. So I like what I see. I try to capture it as quick as I can, and then, of course you want to come back several times and check it just to make sure all the paint has indeed stopped running. And this has a beautiful surface to work on. It's nice and flat and got nice curves and peaks in the top here and at the end. So you want to make sure paint gets in all of those little areas as well. This is going to be your time now for a close-up. So let me bring you in to see how it looks. So here we are, close-up. You can see the beautiful shimmer from that Iridescent Copper by Pebeo Studio. You can see the beautiful lines with white and purple, just striking throughout. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. They're just glistening. And all the color from the edges, you can see how pretty that is. It's just really come in nice. I'm really pleased with the fact that we kind of have a heart that's got the gold and the purple and the copper and the red all kind of in it. So pretty, look at that. Wonderful colors, look at that. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. I have to say, I'm really surprised at how well these colors came together. I wasn't expecting them to look so nicely. When I poured, I saw my purple running away. It seemed to be hidden. The cadmium red that you see here, it looked like it was gonna be gone, and nothing but the copper and the gold were just dominant, and it looks like they were gonna just take over the whole canvas here. But much to my surprise, we have been given our red and our purple back very nicely. And I'm very pleased. Look how shiny that is right there. Woo. Love it. Beautiful cells. Oh, I don't think I could be happier. I hope you like it. I love it. And it's a keeper. I think we can say that we don't have to scrape this one at all, that's for sure. So here you have it. I believe this is a 20-inch heart. I don't recall. I'll put it in the description for sure, but I believe that's what it is. At any rate, it's available if you're interested. Just email me at anitawhite.loveyourart@gmail.com. Very, very beautiful split cup pour that has absolutely spoken for itself. If you haven't done so, by all means, please go ahead and subscribe so you can be informed as to when we have our next video upload. And also, you could leave us a comment. Let us know what you think about this piece of art as well as any of the art that we do. We'd love to have your feedback. We appreciate knowing how we can best serve you. So with that, I'll say thank you for joining me. As always, we appreciate your support, and we are looking forward to being with you next time. Stay tuned for the next video. Thanks again. Have a great day. We'll see you next time. Bye.